What's going on, diecast enthusiasts? How's everyone doing today? Hope everyone's doing very well. I'm doing very well. Thank you very much for asking. So we've got a lot going on the Facebook group, and if you guys haven't joined, the link is in the description down below. Click it, join. We've got a bunch of stuff going on. I'm doing sales. We have a giveaway coming up next week. Don't want to miss that. I've got a lot of good stuff coming up. And this could be BMX related. This could be diecast related. We've got a whole bunch of stuff. I've got 2 cases, sealed cases coming. So I've got some unboxes coming up next month. But right now, for this month, I've got a couple of mail calls. So why don't we talk about the mail calls? I want to thank my friend Joseph for this one right here. I know what's inside it. So why don't we go ahead, tear into this, which we won't do a whole lot of tearing because I actually want to keep this box. So we already know what it is, right? Well, I know what it is, but check this thing out right there. You know what that little gold circle flame means, and it's a 2013 SRT Dodge Viper. Let's check this thing out, man. Very, very nice. Beautiful colors. We've got that Spectra flame paint. He was nice enough to go ahead and put it in a protector. I do already have this one, and when it comes down to buying at the right price, I definitely got this one at the right price. So he was very nice on the price. He's got a bunch of these older Super Treasure Hunts, which is what I like, and very, very nice. We've got no rear details, which is okay. That's fine. Don't worry about it. We have Spectra Flame paint right there. Check out that beautiful shiny paint. Oh, so shiny. I love the shiny paint. I love the shiny paint. We've got the TH logo right down there, right underneath the SRT. And, of course, we've got this gold circle flame. Now, this is from 2015. So this one's a little bit older. Like I said, I do have a couple of these. Just the Super Treasure Hunts alone, I think I've got about... I think this one makes number 3. And why I collect the same car, same color, everything else, you know what? I really don't know. But anyways, it is a Super Treasure Hunt. I found one today. I didn't actually find one. I bought one a few days ago. But anyways, thank you very much, Joseph. I do appreciate it. It's going to be hung up right here on the little spinny thing I got. See, check that thing out. Little spinny thing. And we're just going to rotate it towards us. There we go. Nice and beautiful. So, I'm going to keep the box because I like the box. Now, we've got a bigger box. Now, this box was from a Facebook auction, and there's a lot of really good stuff. So I also want to thank my friend Joseph Borowski at B Brothers Diecast and More. Go check him out on Facebook. Do a lot of really nice auctions, and we are going to find out what we have. And I was thinking about asking if I could run some of my auctions on his site or his Facebook group, but you have to be verified. And here's the deal: I don't know if I'm verified, even though I do have a bunch of deals, sales, shipping, everything else. And this is very well packed. As we can see, we've got nice plastic bags. You can never have too many of these. These things are great. Check out all this bubble wrap, man. Oh, we've got the nice stuff. This is the good stuff. This is the real good stuff. Okay, so I did a lot of buying, and I've just been building a box. But anyways, oh, free car. Oh, dude, thank you. That's so cool, because I actually do this with my auctions, and very rarely has this ever happened to me. So, Jonathan, thank you very much, man. I do appreciate it. Guess what? That is going right here, and I'm not going to take the sticker off of it, but thank you very, very much. So, we've got the A-Team pickup truck, which this would be my second one that I have, because I did buy another one, and let's check this thing out. Now, we've already talked about it. There's nothing different from the one that I have, but still, if you guys haven't seen the one that I have, or seen the video, check this thing out, man. Again, the devil is in the details, and this thing is highly detailed from Greenlight. I do love my Hollywood cars. I really do. What else do we got? We've got this. This is something wicked, wicked good. And there's something rolling around. What is it? Am I the only one that's hearing this? No. So there's got to be something inside the box. Oh boy. Someone fell? Huh. So, anyways, what we have here, this is the Nissan Z. It's the body kit. Oh, so cool. It's so cool. Anyways, so this thing has comes with a body kit. There is no body kit on this. I completely forgot. So this will be for a later video because I will open this one up, and I am excited about this. I really am. So we have tuning pots included, which is this wide body kit and spoiler and everything. Such a beautiful car. I love the colors. I am a huge fan of bright colors, which you wouldn't really know it, but I am. What else do we have? So we got this right here. We've got a Jada Toys Dub City. This is the Scion XB. I actually do like these things. I really do. And I don't mean the Scions. I mean the Dub Cities. And I don't have enough Dub City 1/64ths. So if I can find these at a really decent price, because anything old school Jada can go for a good chunk of change. So let's find out what year this thing was actually from. We have 2004. So very, very cool. Very special to me indeed. I remember when these things hit the street, and these things were very customizable. Toyota was doing really great things with the Scion brand, and it's really too bad Scion did not make it. Because Scion was for like the young, the cool, the hip, the street scene, and the Scion XB has always been kind of one of my guilty pleasures, if you will. I've never hated this car. Anyways, we've got some more stuff right down below here. We have the Mystery Matinee. Now, I wonder what movie this one's from. Let's go back in time, because I think, or we can go back to the future. Anyways, very, very nice. Johnny Lightning did an excellent job with this truck. They really did. Such a very highly detailed model of the 1985 Toyota SR5 pickup truck. Now, this was always really cool. I do like these old school pickup trucks, especially the Toyota from the 1980s. And the license plate doesn't say anything funky or cool or witty. It's just a license plate from California. I would love to do something like this to my Ram, especially have the light bars in the bed like that. I think that's a very nice look. Anyways, this thing is super cool, and this one is out since last year, 2024. Very nice. We are getting down to the bottom, and like I said, I've been buying duplicates of almost everything, so let's pull all the stuff out right now. There is nothing inside the box. It's just empty. As for the main lines, we have the Showstopper. When I was growing up as a kid, the Showstopper was one of my favorite Hot Wheels castings, and it still is today. Obviously, I do have a bunch of these Showstoppers. Same thing, same color. Just it's a very, very sharp, very intimidating, mean-looking car. If you really do ask me, this one should have been the Mitsubishi Eclipse, because there's a lot of similarities with the Eclipse and this car. Now, Hot Wheels did make a 90s Mitsubishi Eclipse, but it was more of a tuned vehicle, like a cartoony car, where the Showstopper looks like something that you would see out on the roads today. So, this car has a little bit of a futuristic look to it, but honestly, probably not so far into the distant future. It is not an electric vehicle. Obviously, we have the tailpipes right down there. This very nice body kit slammed down to the ground. How's your knees? But don't worry about it. I'm pretty sure that bucket seat goes all the way into the rear seat. If anything, this thing's probably a one-seater, and this guy cares more about street racing than he does about taking a pretty girl on a date. Now, we do have this car as well, the Nissan Skyline GTR, the BCNR 33, shorthand, it is in R33, HKS right down the side, and what I do like about this is the colors. It's got a very 80s feel to it. I am an 80s fan. So I definitely do like the pink and the purple and this kind of neon red livery. It's very, very nice. We have no details in the front. We have no details in the rear. For shame, for shame. How in the world can you raise the prices and then just not put a little couple of dabs of paint? I mean, really? Come on. Anyways, very sharp looking car. I definitely like it. Very 80s. It is very sweet, my guy. Such a cool little car. Now, we've got the Liberty Walk right here. This is a cartooned vehicle. This is the 2000 GTR. The Liberty Walk right down there. Very nice color combination. It's a two-tone silver and black. Super cute, super plucky. No details in the rear. That's pretty typical. We have details up front, though. I actually do like these cars. I think they're just really kind of cool. I mean, I don't know. They're cute. So moving on, we have the DeLorean, again, 80s livery with the lightning, the T, the triangle, and no details in the rear, no details up front. That's okay. What do you expect? It's a basic car. We have these white walls, which I would not have chose white walls for a DMC DeLorean, but it's there. And you know what? Can we call this shiny paint, please? Can we? It's so shiny. Oh, look at the shiny paint. I love the shiny paint. I love the shiny paint. Yes, we are going back in time with the Toyota pickup truck and our teal shiny paint DeLorean. Now, we also have another Dodge Viper GTS coupe. Do I really need any more? The answer, quite simply, is no. Do I want more? Yes. And this thing is new for 2025. This is the first time Hot Wheels has done a GTS coupe as a Hot Wheels basic car. So they did do these in premiums, which I'll give you guys a little bit of an education. Why don't we head down to the snake pit? Okay, so what we have is we have the Dodge Viper GTS coupe right here. This is the mainline version, which I still have this one in my hand. This is the premium Hot Wheels, 100% Hot Wheels, black box Dodge Viper GTS. Now, it did come in a variation of colors. My friend Paulie did this one for me. We have the red one right there, green and black right up here as well. So if we go along here, we have some more Dodge Vipers. Now, these are considered not Viper, these are not GTS coupes, these are RT10s. And right there, right up front is the premium black box GTS. And the rest are all SRT10 Dodge Vipers. That's a 2000 Dodge Viper, but that's not a GTS. This is considered a GTS coupe. Now, we do have Matchbox that did the GTS coupe and not Hot Wheels. This is the first time Hot Wheels did do a GTS coupe. I have 7 of them. This makes 8. Don't worry about it. I've got some more coming. And this is my Viper collection right here. So I do have well over 100 Dodge Vipers. And the last time I did count my Dodge Vipers, I'm pretty sure I counted around 500 and then lost count. Now, not all 500 is right here, obviously. There are some on this wall, and then we have some in those boxes right down there. And, of course, we've got them in the shelves, and then we have them over here. Those are the 1/18ths. So I do have a Viper collection. It is quite extensive. And, of course, we have the multi-pack Dodge Vipers as well, the RT10, SRT10. This is the GTSR, or no, that's not the GTSR. But anyways, we've got a whole bunch of them right there. And of course, we've got this one right here, which is very hard to find. Now, this is a Johnny Lightning. I don't know what the value is on it. I don't know where it came from, but it's there. This is the snake pit. So anyways, that being said, those are my 2 mail calls. So again, I want to thank my friend Joseph for the super treasure hunt. You are the man. Thank you. Thank you very much for this. This probably will make its way to the snake pit, but for now, it's going to hang up right up here with me, and it's going to keep me company. And I definitely want to thank my friend Jonathan for these winnings. I did pay for him, and I have no problem with it. He's got a lot of good stuff. Check him out on Facebook. And you know what? This was pretty cool. So not only did you guys get to see an unboxing, 2 of them, you guys got to check out the snake pit, and you guys got to learn something about Dodge Vipers and Mattel. What else more could you ask for? Not very much. At least I don't think so. Anyways, that being said, ladies and gentlemen, please like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to share. I'll know. Collect what you like. If you're not having fun, you're doing it wrong, man. So do it right at the time of your life. Later, taters.